To turn on the laser, first step, hit the green button. Okay, when we get to this screen, we're going to hit Command. And then Command again. Close out that alarm. Now we will turn the light on. Make sure the power key is to the green. Power on. High voltage on. Now we can hit the home button. Then we're going to hit the green button until all the numbers up here turn to 0.
You hold that in?
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
There's an alarm up.
Where did you know? How did you know that? From that red light?
Yep.
So how do you clear that alarm?
Reset. Clear. Now make sure the home button's illuminated. Green button.
You hold it down?
Yep. So all the numbers go to 0. Your X, Y, and Z.
How comes W isn't 0?
I don't know.
Is that your focus?
It might be.
Okay.
Now the laser is ready to run.